Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Clorox Large Room True HEPA Air Purifier. This air purifier promises cleaner air in larger spaces, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the Clorox Large Room True HEPA Air Purifier is compact yet powerful. It's designed to handle rooms up to 1,500 square feet, which is impressive for its size. It features a 3-stage filtration system, a pre-filter for larger particles, a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.1 micron, and an activated carbon filter to tackle odors. In terms of design, it's 19 inches tall and weighs around 11.6 pounds, making it easy to move around despite its robust build. The unit has a sleek white and black finish with a square touchscreen on top that displays fan settings and air quality indicators. There's also a vertical LED bar on the front that changes colors based on air quality levels, which is a nice visual indicator. I tested this purifier during a kitchen renovation, and it handled dust and odors exceptionally well. The automatic mode adjusts fan speed based on air quality, which is convenient. It's quieter than many competitors, especially on lower settings, though it can get a bit loud at full blast. According to its clean air delivery rate, it can circulate air effectively in rooms, though it's not the highest compared to some others in its class. Still, it managed to keep my workspace dust-free during construction, which was a big plus. Maintenance is straightforward. You'll need to replace the HEPA filter every 6 months, which is typical for most air purifiers. The unit itself comes with a 3-year warranty, which is decent, though not the longest in the market. Overall, the Clorox Large Room True HEPA Air Purifier impressed me with its performance and ease of use. It may lack smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity, but for its price range, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a reliable air purifier that gets the job done efficiently, the Clorox Large Room True HEPA Air Purifier is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.